Wow. And this is obviously chocolate team, isn't it? Oh, that looks amazing.
So recently I have been leading out in a community healthy cooking class in the town where I live in South Lake Tahoe through a local church. And we recently made an awesome recipe that I wanted to share with you guys. It's vegan, gluten-free carob and chocolate brownies. We made one using carob and another using chocolate, but both recipes are vegan and gluten-free. It came out amazing. We also made homemade ice cream out of coconut milk, and so I just wanted to share this with you. So check it out.
You can use coconut cream.
Has a chocolate bar, right? Aesthetic of this in the little metal barrel.
So I hope you enjoyed this video. The brownies were absolutely amazing. I actually liked the carob ones better than the chocolate ones. Most of the group actually liked the carob ones better. The ice cream was probably the best ice cream I've ever had. It was incredible. So I hope you will get a chance to make this at home, and I hope it's turns out as good for you as it did for us.